Hi, I'm Christy Callahan from Chubby Lotus Yoga, and I wanted to talk about Crystal Gray's training. I did my 500 hour with her a couple years ago now. I had done my 200 hour back in 2010, and so my only understanding of what a yoga teacher was a yoga teacher in a studio. The biggest dream that I thought of was potentially owning my own studio, but I didn't really know there was anything outside of that. She showed me and gave me clarity that I had a very strong voice, first of all. I had a very strong drive and my why. She helped me figure out my why, which was there all along, but I didn't know it. I needed help to kind of bring that to the surface, and that's what Crystal did for me. She helped me niche down. I was one of the many that said, I don't want a niche, like I want to be able to help everybody. But I learned from her and through her that trying to help everybody means you help nobody. Your voice is so diluted that you can't cut through the noise on the internet. So that was all thanks to Crystal. Now I am working on building my own business, and that's all because of her. She helped me get that clarity and gain that confidence. It's not something you always find in a yoga teacher training at all. She helped me make my dreams come true. I'm making my dreams come true now, which is building my own business to support myself, and that never would have even seemed possible before her.